Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Qamar Sumaira from the Department of English, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Today we are going to do the topic that will help you out in building up and enhancing your vocabulary. So, words are the main contents and contain main themes to share our ideas and thoughts. Vocabulary building skills are what students need to develop their growing vocabulary. So, teachers typically encourage them to read the text and have a complete research on the word from the dictionaries to enhance their communication skills. And not only communication skills, definitely your writing practice as well. We may have different practices to draw, and depending on whether we are speaking, listening, reading or writing, in all the skills these are helpful for creating new words as well as to learn the new words of some language. Why is vocabulary important in reading and writing? Speaking and communication for comprehension, listening and reading to decode the message and to improve the language proficiency. So, to improve our spelling errors, to write precisely, writing the strategies with exact activities what is wanted by our teachers for to enhance our vocabulary, all the things are important to note as a student. There are certain things that we can apply in our writing to improve our vocabulary, that are using the synonyms, reading, repetition, finding the antonyms, the word formation exercises, assimilating the word, relating your linguistic knowledge, remembering, and definitely your sentence construction that would lead towards learning the idioms of any language. What are the tips to improve vocabulary? There are certain things that we can do at our own part while developing and enhancing our vocabulary. Number one, first of all, we need to remind ourselves that do not translate the word into your mother tongue or into your first language, because if you are going to translate any word, or you are habitual, as we all are at our level of understanding of any language, we try to write down the meanings of the words in Urdu language rather than any other one, that is from English to English. Our mind definitely focuses on the mother tongue rather than your target language. So, try to put synonyms and the words which will help you out to create new words of the same kind into your mind. Number two, never try to just read the word, you need to improve the pronunciation from the given dictionaries, from the websites. Definitely we learn vocabulary from the websites, from the social media applications and many other things which we are going to talk about in our upcoming lecture. Thing is, finding the words at their root level and developing the word exercises with the level of prefixation and suffixation methodology, definitely we will develop new words whatever we learn. So, all the tips whatever to improve vocabulary depends on our memorization. So, as I said, do not only. So, in conclusion, or to conclude our today's speech, let me conclude it in a summary that vocabulary is all about your independent effort to learn the words of a language. Try to read and recall once and again, not by repeating the words only, but also to recall and rereading it while developing as a list of items which are new for you. That is all about our today's lecture. Hope you get the point. We will talk about the different tips and the different methods to apply to regulate our vocabulary with new formations in our upcoming lecture. Till that time, stay blessed. Have a nice day.